How to handle messages in Airbnb. First, I'll show you how to access them. Come click on your profile, and then you need to come here and click on messages. Then you'll be able to see all your messages, both read and unread, and you can also filter them in as well, right? And you can do settings. For example, you can check your scheduled messages, quick replies, things like that. Okay, so scheduled messages is basically when you automatically send guests check-in instructions, details about the property in terms of Wi-Fi settings, Wi-Fi passwords, right? So you can go ahead and create a message template if you want from here. You can do a template name, for example, welcome message with Wi-Fi password. And then you can go ahead and write your message in. And then you can go ahead and select for which listings you want this. And you can schedule with an action. For example, after the booking is confirmed or once they check in, right? Heck, you can always choose day and time, or you can do always send this message, right? And then you come back up here. You can select for which listing you want this to happen. I'll do this for my house in Denver and put in the white message. Let me do this. So there you go. You can add a welcome message. Thanks for staying. I hope everything will be to your liking, your comfort. I'm available in case of anything. And the Wi-Fi password is such and such. Answer ASAP. You can choose the day. So you do the day of, time. Let's go ahead and do 12 a.m. It's perfect. And then you can go ahead and create that, right? You can add that scheduled message. I will go ahead and close this now. Now you have this message set up for one of your listings. Also, there are much more settings. You can do quick replies as well. For example, you can go ahead and create a new template. So let me create a new reply. I'll show you how to do this. So you can add a name and then let me go ahead and make one. So for example, guest asking you the Wi-Fi password. So the quick reply name, I'll put a Wi-Fi password, but this will not be shown to the guests, right? This will not be shown to them. The actual message will be shown to them. So you can go ahead and say, sure, the Wi-Fi password is answer ASAP. Then we can go ahead and create that. And you can do quick message replies as well. And the Airbnb also has a feature where you can do suggested replies using the AI. Okay. And that makes the process really, really easy and simple. And that's how you handle your messages in Airbnb.